How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. We're doing an update on the hydraulic cylinder. Over 290,000 people watch me rebuild this hydraulic cylinder. And I got a little bit of flack from it, but I'm not a professional, and I never said that I was. But I wanted to do an update on this cylinder to show you that it is working good. It has absolutely no leaks on it at all, and we've used it all summer. Now, when we first started, when I did the first video on rebuilding it, some people were asking for updates. I couldn't really give any updates on that cylinder because it wasn't worked. And we worked this all summer long. This has been on the road. It's been ditching roads. It's done a lot of work. And now is a perfect time to say, you know, did it work or didn't it work? And I think it did. And, you know, the best thing, if you guys don't know how to do these cylinders or don't have the money, if you don't have the money, rebuild it yourself. If you have the money, you're better off getting a professional to do it than somebody that doesn't know what they're doing. And I never claimed to know what I was doing. I just rebuilt the cylinders. That's it. You know, I never claimed to be a professional or anything like that, and I'm not. So let me give you a little close-up on these cylinders that we had rebuilt and show you that we're not having any problem with them. So let's check them out. Now, this is the cylinder that you guys see on YouTube that I had rebuilt. This is the small one. I took it home so I could do it on video. I really don't do videos at work. I don't do any videos on time, but this video I did at home. And there's no leakage anywhere on that cylinder. It's not wet or anything. It's not wet anywhere. And like I said, it has worked really well. We have some more cylinders that actually need rebuilt on this thing, but go over to this side here, you'll see that we rebuilt this cylinder too. Now all I can tell is these are clean, and this is a good, there's no leakage on this cylinder anywhere, and it has been fine. We have a few more rebuilt kits for them, but like I said, I just wanted to show you guys how those cylinders looked, and I think they look just fine. Okay, now that you've had a look at the cylinders, and the cylinders do look okay to me. I mean, but like I said, I'm not a professional. Maybe there's something there I'm not looking at. But anyhow, they look okay. When we rebuilt them, there was oil spewing out of them. There was oil all over the ram. There was oil coming down the hoses, so I know that they needed rebuilt. Now, one of the biggest questions I got online on YouTube with this rebuilt thing was, one of the questions were, what was the name of the tool? I don't know what the name of the tool is. If it was, I would have ordered one. I had no clue. We ended up getting the rebuild kits, and we had to rebuild them, and I didn't know you had to have a special tool. And there is a special tool to put in the center seal in these. And it's like a three-prong. It's like three prongs, and one prong is twisted in the middle. And you could twist it down, and it kinks that center seal in there, and then you can slide it right in. I didn't have one, so I put it in with my fingers. A little rough, but I did it. Didn't have any problem. That ain't the only one we put in with our fingers either. So we did another one on the other side. Okay, tools, like I said, I don't know the names of all them special tools you need to rebuild these cylinders. I don't rebuild cylinders for a living. I just did a few cylinders just for here at my place of work. And let's see, another question. Where do you get the seals for the hydraulic cylinders? We took the name off of the grader, called the company, told them we needed some rebuilt kits for our cylinders, and told them what cylinders it was, and they sent us rebuilt kits for them. Now, as far as just taking an old cylinder and getting it rebuilt, I have no clue how you would figure out how to get seals for that. The best thing I could tell you is to take the name off of the machine that you're running and get some numbers off of it and call the company that made the machine and ask them if they have rebuilt kits for your hydraulic cylinders. That's the best I can do for you guys, because I really honestly don't know. Unless there's a name on the cylinder or something, a company that you can get a hold of, that would be the only way that I know that you could get rebuilt kits for your cylinders. Or you could take it to a professional, and I'm sure that they will match up your seals for your cylinder and rebuild your cylinder. I'm sure hydraulic shops can do that. We have done that before in the past here at my place at work, and they have rebuilt cylinders for us. So there shouldn't be any reason why you can't take it to a professional. And if you want to do it yourself, you could ask them if they could get you a rebuilt kit for it. I don't know how that works, but anyhow, that's the best I can do on trying to help you guys get your rebuilt kits and an update on my rebuilt hydraulic cylinder. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it helped somebody out there. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Hey, till next time.